Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. Life is so boring with a mixer grinder with only 3 jars performing the same functions. So being a working woman, it is very difficult to chop vegetables, slice vegetables, kneading atta, making juices and smoothies. For this, we need chopping board, knife, mini chopper, mixer grinder, juice maker, grater. So is there any equipment that can fulfill all these needs? Yes, and a food processor can do all these functions. I bought Morphy Richards food processor to help me in my kitchen. So I'll unbox it for you and I'll show you the different blades and the jars that are available in this box so that it might be useful for you in case if you're planning to purchase one, because my cookware collection video was useful for many of my subscribers. So I wanted to do this for you. So I'll unbox this. So there are few blades here. So this blade is for making French fries. So the blade is very sharp, and we have a spatula. It's made of plastic, food gradable plastic. And here's another blade which is for shredding. So we have two options here. This is for coarse shredding and this is for fine shredding. Grating coconut is really a difficult job. Honestly, I hate grating coconut. So this fine shredding will help me to grate coconut, and this coarse shredding can be used for grating carrots, beetroots or any other vegetables. The main reason for me to purchase this Morphy Richards is because of the slicing blade. Before this I bought I guess it's a Philips brand, so I did not have this option in that brand and I had few drawbacks in that, so I returned it and then I ordered this. The main advantage of the slicing blade is we can adjust it to 7 settings. So we can grate vegetables in 7 different sizes. So if you can see, the blades will start moving if we rotate the knob that is below this blade. So this is the main function, but I'll use this and I'll let you know how it works. Wow, there are many units here. So this is the main heart of this food processor. So this is the motor and it is a 1000-watt food processor. So the noise would be very less and energy consumption would be very less. So there is a pulse option and 0, 1, 2, 3 are the speeds. It's light in weight, so it's easier to carry and also easily portable. So there's nothing much about this to explain. And here comes the processing bowl. And one more advantage of this processor is this is 2.4 liters in capacity. So if you are cooking for like many number of people, or if you have guests in your home and if you want to chop more vegetables, this would be the best option for you because you need not empty it every now and then after you chop vegetables. You can do it in bulk. So this is one good, and the plastic is very sturdy and it is hard. This will not break easily, I guess. And this is the lid for this processor bowl. And one more advantage of this product is this has this lock mechanism. So only when you lock this processor bowl and when you fit it to the motor properly, the motor will start running. So this is very safe too. And one more advantage is this has 2 mouths. One is the wider mouth and the smaller mouth, this one. So in case if you're using bigger vegetables, you can put it through this wider mouth and this can be used to push the vegetables inside. And if you're using any small vegetables, then you can take this off and put the vegetables through this hole and use this as a tool to push it inside. And this is the chopping blade. It's so sharp. So let's see how it works. And this is the kneading blade used to knead atta or any flour that you're using for baking or anything like that. And we have 3 different jars that came along with this food processor. The small jar which is used to grind chutneys or any other masalas that is used for our daily life. And this is the next jar which is in bigger size, which you can again use for grinding masalas or any other food items in larger quantity. And this is the juicer jar. So it's transparent and sturdy too again. So this is the lid of this juicer, and one advantage of this juicer jar is when it is in function, you can open this lid and you can pour water, milk whenever you do some smoothie or juice, and you can close it again. And this can be used as measuring jar too. There's some measurements here, so you can use this for measuring too. So this one is good. I have this for citrus juicer. So this is one more reason why I bought this. There are few food processor in which we have the other functions that we saw, but the citrus juicer was unavailable. But in this I got this option too, so I preferred this. And this is for the centrifugal juicer, so we can make any juices of vegetables or fruits. So this can be connected to the main processor unit, the processor bowl, and we can make juice. And here is the lid for this. So we should connect it this way, and there's one more pusher kind of thing that we can use to push vegetables after putting it here. So the fresh juice will be collected in the processor bowl, and the waste or the flesh of the vegetables and the fruits will be collected here, so we can discard them. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this Morphy Richards food processor on my own interest. So you would have seen how it works in this video and all the functionalities. So far I'm very much satisfied with this product. Maybe I'll work with this for the next couple of months and then give you a proper review about the life, the durability and all other functions that are required for a food processor. So the price of this food processor when I purchased it was 8,200 rupees. You can get some best discounts in Amazon or Flipkart too, so do check. And one more biggest advantage for us to invest in this food processor is to perform all these functions we need different types of equipments, which is again going to occupy more space in your kitchen. And investing in each and every equipments like the grater, the chopping board and the juicer, it is again going to cost you a lot of money. But investing in food processor will help you perform all the tasks, and also the space consumed will be less compared to the other equipments. And according to me, Morphy Richards is a reliable brand because I have been using Morphy Richards hand blender for the past 2 years I guess, and it's doing a good job so far and I have no complaints about it. So I trusted this brand again and I have invested. So let me see how it goes. So let me quickly summarize the benefits or the advantages of this product. And this juicer, this juicer jar is very big, so we can make like at least 4 cups of juice using this. And the biggest advantage is we have a open here, so we can pour milk or water whenever we are preparing juice, and this acts as a measuring cup too. This comes with 2-year warranty, which is a good note, so hope it should work fine. So I'll use this for a few more days and I'll let you know the exact pros and cons of this product so that it would be useful for you and think if you're investing in it. So if you're a working woman or if you're very busy in your life and if you want some companion in your kitchen, I'm sure this will be useful for us. So let's see how it works. Thank you for tuning in and staying with me till the end of this video, and leave your valuable suggestions and feedback in the comment section below. See you guys next time with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye. This video was recorded long back, that is before 5 months I guess. We also recorded few functionalities of this and how to assemble this, but I'm sorry it is deleted somehow. And I'll definitely try to make a complete review on this and how to use this product as soon as possible. So please stay tuned and do support me as always. Thank you.